Sup, you mad dogs? Here we are with fucking Alfie. Win, done what? Heaven Kane. Where are we going, boys? I don't even know where we're going. It's a fucking surprise, isn't it?
Yeah.
Full surprise. Yeah, we're in the middle of bumfuck. We'll pick up the camera again when we get either closer or we're there.
Cha-ching.
Alright. Semi falling asleep, but Evan's keeping us awake from fucking fanging that cunt. Oh, good fun. Look out. Look out. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Hello.
Yes, boys. We made it. Jump off some cliffs.
Very cold water.
Into very cold water, yeah. Alright guys, change of plans. It's fucking pissing down and the water is brown as fuck. So, I don't know what we're doing now, but we're trying to escape this fucking rain.
You know who hasn't opened the vlog in a long time? That's right. This guy. Ahoy. What's up, lads? How are we?
Why not?
We're vlogging.
Oh, wait, chickens!
Oh my god, chicken jockey! Ew!
Yeah.
Peep the trim, lads. What do you reckon? Everyone put haircut emoji in the chat if that's a good haircut. Oh yeah. Ask me where we're going. Where we're going? We are going to Springbrook National Park. Yeah. We'll see ya when we're out with the car.
We are deep in the bush now. Oh, fuck. Well, we're here.
Yay.
But you guys probably remember this spot from like one of the first videos. Now look at it. From the cyclone, that's what's happened, bro. Not even from the cyclone, probably because we've just been getting bombarded with fucking rain, haven't we, eh? So yeah, all that down, all that down.
Yeah.
Bit of rock climbing. Yeah. Alright, explore time. We're going up the riv.
Am I taking him?
You wanna?
You want to come with me? Welcome, guys. Connor's having a piss. I'm not going that far. See that, guys? Yeah. Definitely nice. Looks good.
Ah, fuck!
Wow. Look at this place. Oh, wow, yeah, it is cold, lads. Natural ice bath. What this is. Oh, you definitely can't feel that. I think we'll just swim here. There's not really much up there. Or do you want to go back down?
Freezing.
It is, but it's like recovery, lad. Chill.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's been a while. How are y'all doing? I know you're doing good. I'm doing good.
What's up, boys? You already know where we are. We're gonna try and get up there, but yeah, it's fucking hard. And this water is ice cold, like cold as an ice bath, probably colder. This tree is pretty cool. Like we were just hopping on it. It's fucking slippery as that. We're trying to test the depth of this. Depth tester.
Deep?
Yeah. Bye-bye, amazing spot. We'll see you next time.
I feel good as now. I feel energized. Same. That's what I was like.
Alright guys, we're trying to go find
Snake.
our snake that we saw. Didn't film it though, but gonna try and film it now. Oh yeah, yeah, he's
Found
still there.
Oh, it's still there.
So guys, this is the top 10 most venomous snake in the world. Yeah man, just a little python. Haha.
Are they going?
What does Flynn think about it? So cool.
Touch it. Is that his head?
Yeah, that's its head there. Alright, end of the vlog. Like, sub. You know the rest.
Do it. Do it now. Oi. Fuck you, Sion. Bitch.
What did Sian do?
Just everything.
She keeps making.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah. Fuck you, Sian. Don't make fun of my boy.
That's right. No more impression.
Yeah, bye. Alright.